faucet had a little drip, just barely made a sound. I watched a guy on YouTube, said, hell, I got this figured out. Grabbed a wrench out of the garage, turned that sucker twice. Now there's water in the kitchen, and the cat won't come inside. It was fine till I fixed it. Should've left well enough alone. Watched some guy on YouTube, said, hell, I can do that on my own. Now the kitchen sink is leaking, and the hallway lost its lights. It was fine till I fixed it, but I saved $100 tonight. The disposal started grinding, so I watched another guy. He changed his out in 7 minutes. Hell, I figured so could I. Now the sink is sitting sideways, and there's sawdust on the floor. I saved $200 on a plumber, but the cabinet needs $4. It was fine till I fixed it. Should've left well enough alone. Watched another guy on YouTube, said, hell, I can do that on my own. Now the kitchen sink is crooked, and the hallway lost its lights. It was fine till I fixed it, but I saved $100 tonight. My wife said, call somebody. I said, honey, have some faith. She rolled her eyes and walked away, like she knew that we weren't safe. I said, measure twice and cut once. That's the way my daddy taught. I measured once and cussed twice when I cut the damn thing too short. I got every tool a man could need hanging neatly on the wall. I may not know just what they do, but buddy, I own them all. There ain't a job around this house too big for me to try. Give me half a day and $50, I'll make a small problem twice its size. It was fine till I fixed it. Should've left well enough alone. Watched some guy on YouTube, said, hell, I can do that on my own. Now the plumber's in the kitchen, and the electrician's here tonight. Yeah, it was fine till I fixed it, and they're fixing everything I fixed last night. See, honey, told you I could fix it. Anybody know where the water shutoff is? The